We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp status not showing up. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're keeping this guide broad, so we'll hopefully go and solve the problem you're facing. It may be that you know other people are posting statuses which you can't see, or your own aren't showing up, so we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. First of all, go and press the menu button at the bottom, and then you want to go and press close all to go and close them all. Then you can go and try opening up again. Go and see if refreshing it goes and works. If it doesn't, come out of it. Then you want to go and open up settings. Scroll all the way down and find apps. Then you can press search in the top right of apps and go and type in WhatsApp. Go and tap on it, and you want to go and scroll down and go and find storage. Press clear cache in the bottom right. Press back, and you want to press force stop in the bottom right. Now you can come and return to WhatsApp and hopefully it's solved. If it still isn't, come to chats and press the three dots in the top right and press settings. Scroll down to chats and you can scroll down and find chat backup, and you want to press backup at the top and wait. It's complete, we can close it. Now tap and hold on WhatsApp and you want to press uninstall and confirm your decision. What we can then do is install it again. So go to the Play Store. When it's finished, open it up. You'll need to go through the setup process again. During the process, you can then restore from the backup. Hopefully the problem will now go and be solved.